So welcome students. In this video let us look at an important property of a triangle which is called cosine rule. So this cosine rule will be useful to find the angles if the sides of the triangle are known. So assume that you know the three sides of a triangle and you are asked to find angle B or angle A, so on. So cos of angle A is equal to B square plus C square, the sum of squares of adjacent sides, minus the square of opposite side, B square plus C square minus A square, divided by 2 times the product of the adjacent sides. So this is what cosine rule says. Similarly, if you want cos B, what you just need to do is you just need to square C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC gives you the value of cos B. If you want cos C, A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB will be the value of cos C. So if three sides of a triangle are given, cosine rule gives you the formula to find each of the angles of the triangle. And this cosine rule can be used in the other way also, which is this way, which comes after the cross multiplication. So A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. If two sides are given, if two sides are known and the angle between them is known, if two adjacent sides and the angle included between them is known, from these three informations you can find the opposite side. For example, B square will be equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. So you have three formulas of this type, One formula for cos A, the other formula for cos B, the other formula for cos C. Here also you have one formula for A square, one formula for B square, one formula for C square. So you just need to follow the pattern. So if you want cos B, you need to write A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. So whatever angle you have here, that comes at this point. The other sides will come at these two positions and the denominator positions. So now let us see a sample derivation for the cosine rule. So if you take a triangle ABC, so to derive the cosine rule, what the construction that we do is drop a perpendicular from A onto the side BC. So let the foot of the perpendicular be D. Now the side opposite to vertex A is small a, this is small b, this is small c. Now this angle is C, so triangle ADC is a right angle triangle. So in this triangle, what is sin C? Sin C is nothing but opposite side AD by AC is B. This implies AD will be equal to B sin C. So this side will be equal to B times sin C. Now if you take the cos of angle C, cos C is equal to CD by B. This implies CD is equal to B cos C. So this is B sin C, this is B cos C. This is the cos component, this is the sin component. Now if this is B cos C, what is the length of BD? BD is nothing but A minus B cos C, right? So this is B sin C, this is A minus B cos C, and this side is C. Now if this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is also equal to 90 degrees. Now triangle ABD is also a right angle triangle. So in this triangle, Pythagoras theorem has to be valid. So C square has to be equal to A minus B cos C whole square plus B sin C whole square. That is equal to A square plus B square cos square C minus 2AB cos C plus b square sine square c. So b square cos square c plus b square sine square c. So these two terms combinedly become equal to b square a square plus b square times sine square c plus cos square c is equal to 1 minus 2ab cos c. So the length of c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. And if you interchange the terms, you can derive cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. So we can derive the formula of this type as well as the formula of this type. So once you can derive c square, similarly you can derive the formulas for b square as well as a square. If you drop the perpendicular onto side AC, you get the formula for b square. If you drop the perpendicular onto side C, so you get the other ratio. So in this way you can derive the cosine rule for a triangle. So let us see how questions will be asked on this. So now let us take this example. So in this question you're given that a plus b plus c times a minus b plus c is equal to 3ac. So if that is so, you're asked to find angle B. So a plus b plus c can be written as a plus c plus b times a plus c minus b is equal to 3ac. So if you take a plus c as an entity, so these are the form something plus something into something minus something, is something square minus something square. So this implies a plus c whole square minus b square is equal to 3ac. This implies a square plus c square plus 2ac minus b square is equal to 3ac. So if this 2ac goes onto that side, so plus 2ac goes onto that side becomes minus 2ac. So this implies a square plus c square minus b square is equal to ac. So if you divide both sides by 2ac, so a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac is equal to 1 by 2. So this implies this is nothing but the formula for cos b is equal to 1 by 2. This implies b is equal to 60 degrees. So the angle B by cosine rule can be found out as 60 degrees. Thank you.